Well, I'm back, guys. Here's how to create a Discord bot and add it to your Discord server. So first things first, you want to go to discord.com/developer/applications. Then once you're here, click New Application, and I'll call this Tutorial Bot. Now, if you have a team, you'll also have the option of adding it to one. If you're not sure, just keep it on your personal one. You can always create a team and add it to it later. Then just click this little checkbox, agreeing that you agree to the term service and developer policy. Confirm you are not a robot. And then your bot is created. Now we'll go over some of these settings in a later video, but for this video we'll just go over how to add the bot. So you'll go over to OAuth 2, and for here we'll just choose the bot permission. And for this case we'll choose administrator. Obviously you'd probably want to pick the individual ones you want, but this will work fine here. Then you can copy your link, and then you can say open it in a new tab. And then it'll open up in your Discord here. And we'll go and add it to my server here. We'll confirm that we want to grant these permissions. And then you'll need to enter your 6-digit authentication code, which I will do and be right back. And then you'll get this message, and then you can go to the server. And as you can see, the bot is now here. And that'll be it for this video. In the next video, we'll go over how to customize it and eventually how to program it. And the end.